Yo, this your boy Diggy. Gonna go out in the Chicago blizzard and walk this dog. As y'all can see, there he go right there. Y'all see outside, people out there shoveling, still coming down. So this is what I have to go through with this dog. Not only when the temperature and the weather's normal, but when it's like, I don't know how many inches out here, but let's go check it out. Come on. Always trying to race me in the other side. Come on. Alright, see out here. See what we can do. Come on. Oh shit. Fuck. Yeah, it's kinda crazy, y'all. Come on, Duke. Gonna have to get you up. Oh shit, come on. Come on, man. Come on. You got the piss right there, something. Alright, we out front now. This is a little bit better. This is my car over there. I wonder how we're gonna get that out in a minute. As you can see, shit is crazy. We're gonna have to go out here, Duke. You finna go? Alright, let me turn this off. I don't know y'all wanna see that. This is the result of Duke. This is crazy. Come on, man, let's go get dried out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go. Oh, shit. What you barking at? Come on. Come on. What's up, people? This is your boy Diggy. My plan right now, this is my car right here with the little wiper sticking up. I'm trying to get up in here. I'm gonna try to get through all of this and try to get up in here, so y'all can come along with me. Oh shit. My goal is to get in here. Shit, where the keys at? Fuck, look at this shit. Let's see if this bitch is started.
Live from the Safe Auto Insurance.
Lady Chicago, I listen to my favorite station.
Shit.
By WGCI. Chicago, greatest stars.
Yeah, it'll start, so